My name is Pete Freeman. I'm the acting chair. To my left, Ms. Ledoux. To my right, Mr. Byra. We're back at David Wade Correctional Center on the hearing for Gerald Ward. Mr. Ward, state your name and DOC number for the record, please.
Gerald Bernard Ward, 372912.
Okay. Mr. Ward, I'm gonna read some information into the record. If it doesn't sound correct, tell me and we'll talk about it. Okay, you are a third felony offender. Your parole date was 8/25/20. You're not eligible for good time, and your full term date is 5/26/39. And you are serving 25 years for possession with intent to distribute cocaine. Does that sound correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm a user, ex-user of crack cocaine.
Okay, let me we're gonna get to your statements, and you have speaking on your behalf is gonna be LeBrian Ware.
LeBrian Ward.
Okay, Ward, I'm sorry. That's you, Mr. Ward?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll get to you at the proper time. Okay, first, Mr. Ward, tell me, what did you do to get yourself in prison, and why do you think we should consider letting you out today?
I was doing the wrong things. I was using drugs, using crack cocaine, and if I didn't change my life and everything, I done went. You know what I'm saying? I'm enrolled in 12 steps and NAA, and you know what I'm saying, in reentry, and I got my anger management and parenting certificate. And I would like another chance in my life in the free world.
Okay, and so what did you do to get yourself in there besides using crack? I mean, you got 25 years. Were you dealing, selling, or just what?
Just smoking. It was three different crack. It was 3 crack rocks, and it was in bags. That's why I got so much time. Like that's why I got my time like that.
All right. I have your case. Well, Warden, what do you have to say about Mr. Ward?
Mr. Ward has been here since September the 6th of 16. He's had a total of 6 write-ups since being incarcerated, with the last one being March 22nd of 21. He has a good work performance. He's got his GED. He has a low Tiger score. He also has a detainer currently with Bossier Parish that is 6 months parish jail if he is granted parole, that he would need to go complete that.
Could you confirm that he's had his pre-release?
He's currently enrolled in that at this time, Ms. Ledoux.
What about substance abuse?
He's also enrolled in the 12-step program at this time also.
Okay, so we definitely have to put those finished. Okay. All right, your case has been assigned to Mr. Byra. Mr. Byra, would you lead us in questioning?
You think you have a drug problem?
I you know what I'm saying, I used to, and I seen a right road when I got locked up this time. You know what I'm saying, either, you know what I'm saying, change my life and go the right way, or either continue going down the wrong road. And I had to change my life and went down the right road. And I've started going, you know what I'm saying, getting all the different programs and under my belt.
So you got a pretty long criminal history of convictions and some cases dismissed. I see you got one in there in 1996 involving a manslaughter. What was that?
I was attempted manslaughter. They say I shot someone in the leg.
During a dope deal or something?
No, sir.
What was all that about?
It was, you know what I'm saying, I was, you know what I'm saying, the guy, you know what I'm saying, hauled off and hit me. And you know what I'm saying, they say I went somewhere and got a gun.
Okay. All right. A little bit about the incident offense. On May 14th, 2013, agents with the Bossier Narcotics Task Force, along with a confidential informant, purchased 3 grams of crack cocaine from Gerald Ward on front of Montgomery Street, Bossier, Louisiana. The CI was equipped with an audio and video recording device and the narcotics transaction, and was given $30 of official Bossier City narcotics buy money. So basically you sold them 3 grams of crack cocaine for $30.
That's what they say. But you know, I was a smoker. I was a crack user.
So you did not sell, this is not true? You did not sell him anything?
I didn't sell him nothing. We used it, but I didn't sell him nothing. We smoked it, but I didn't sell him nothing.
Okay, that's the only question I have.
Okay. You have any questions, Ms. Ledoux? Okay, tell me, this, I saw you lost 90 days of good time back in 2016. What was that about?
I had 2 fights. That's it. Since I've been, since I was here,
Okay,
when I
well,
first came here.
must have been pretty bad fights to, Warden, to lose 90 days.
No, that back then, that was taking, you know what I'm saying, good time instead of, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, I was doing good time instead of doing the black time.
Right, he wasn't, at the time that this happened, his sentence had not been resentenced to habitual offender where he doesn't earn good time.
Okay,
So at that time, he was earning good time,
correct.
but now he's not, so that's why it's at a
Got-
0 now
right,
for forfeiture.
I was just trying to see if there was a weapon used or something when I saw how many days he had lost, okay? And,
No, since it was just a regular fight, it wasn't an aggravated fight, so there wasn't a weapon involved.
okay. And I must say that the chief and the sheriff are opposed. What about your supervision history? You've had problems in the past. You could be able to stay in touch with your probation officer and parole officer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's hear what your brother has to say.
Hey, how you guys doing?
Good.
I would like to give my brother a second opportunity. So I would like him to relocate with me down to Florida so he can change his life around, get away from the people that he's been around.
And you're gonna provide him a place to stay and stuff in Florida?
Yes, sir.
I have no further questions. Are we ready to vote? Ms. Ledoux, you ready? Danny, you ready to vote?
Yeah. Well, Mr. Ward, Mr. Ward, I don't think you're taking full responsibility for what happened. There's a video of the sale, which the police officers are saying you actually sold 3 rocks for $30. I still don't think you're being truthful and taking responsibility for that. Prior
I
to
said we
that,
smoked.
I was thinking about giving you a shot, but part of recovery is taking responsibility for the things you've done. And
I took responsibility for it. That's why I did it. And I'm doing the time.
Vote. Okay, we vote.
so based on that, I'm gonna vote to deny your parole today.
Ms. Ledoux?
Because of your brother's willingness to provide an out-of-state residence, my vote would be to grant conditional upon completion of pre-release, a substance abuse program, and only to the out-of-state plans.
Okay. No, Mr. Ward, I'm like Mr. Barra. I mean, they have you on tape and they saw you selling the rocks. You've only done 10 or 25 years. You don't have many classes. I think you're heading in the right direction, but today my vote is to deny for the same reason. Good luck to you, sir.
Yes, sir.